All right, welcome back once again. So we just continue with our prototyping lesson. All right. So, but this time around, we are going to create more. We're going to create some layouts. We're going to create some wireframes on it, and then we can use them to do our work. Okay. So I'm going back to designing to do something right here, and this is actually going to be a very simple wireframe. This is going to be the logo of the company. Okay, I'm going to do some wireframing right here. Going to be the logo of the company. We talked about wireframing, so you know how to do it. Set this here and go back, and I'm doing a lot of shortcuts because you know the shortcuts. Go back to create this. Zoom in is Z. That is the shortcut. So L for line, create more something right here. Supposing it become it's an image. We're supposed to have an image right there, and I know you understand what we are doing. I'm going to duplicate this, Control D, and here I will reassign the positions. Okay, so this is going to be the logo of the business or the app. All right, and I'm going to also add some text, to some welcome text to this. So I'm going to create welcome to the app name. 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 So welcome. Here I'm going to duplicate, hold down Alt and app name. So welcome to app name. Whatever the name of the app is, that is what you're going to do. So we are not going to concentrate on the designing this one. We're just going to have something to represent what we intend to put there. So welcome to the app name. So just something like this. Okay, so the logo of the business, or the app, sorry, the app will be here, and some welcome text will also be here, and then it will just move on to the home page, okay, where we will have other things right there. So the home page will be here. Okay, something like good. So this is my home page. My home page will have an image on top, a broad image on top. Is it going to be? Yes, a broad image right here on top. And I suggest we can copy. Yeah, so we can just copy the whole of this, copy the whole of this, copy the whole of this. And because I want us to copy this one together, I'm going to group them, Control G to group them right here, and I'll just rename them to logo. So I can copy the entire thing from here to the other side. Simple, right? You can rename, group them, rename them, just move them across. Okay, and it works. That is it. Put that one here. That's going to be our image. Just open it up, and maybe we don't need this. Okay, so just extend our lines small to fix it. We're going to fix our lines here. All right, don't worry, we'll come back, fixing it, zoom in well, and then fix it. So may just concentrate on one of them, and probably after that we can just duplicate. All right, so we have this, and then we'll come back to this. All right, doing the zoom, and I'm panning it, holding down the space bar to pan it. So I have this one right here. I can just delete this, duplicate on this, and then change the position. Okay, so that is it. So we have our first something logo, kind of square like something, right? It depends, all right? The logo I intend to put there is not like this. It's not a square like something, so it actually influenced me. But that is it. And now we have a first image right here. Probably is going to be series of images on carousel, a slider. All right, we're going to talk about that when the time comes. We just use this for our experiment. And as well, we can. This is not supposed to be logo. It's going to be slider or header or hero. Okay, so we can just name this hero. So right here we have our hero. Our hero here. We're going to copy our hero to make more elements as such. Okay, so we can just do something like this. And then add our text. So we can add any text. This time our concentration is not on text, so we can just add any text right there and move on. Okay. So you know about text, just put our text right there. Good. So yeah, gradually taking shape on our wireframing, and yeah, that's good. Good to hear. Okay, so this is actually here, is it? This one, and then this one. This one is, you can name it, image, image, hero, image, section. You can name it section, image, whatever you want to. Add it up right there, and because for the purpose of duplication, we just want to do this, so we can just okay, good to see this. I want to have something like this, so we can do this. Okay, so gradually we're taking shape. Our prototyping is wireframing is taking shape right here. So you can just probably add a button somewhere. We're just doing the unthinkable, just applying some kind of element to represent some things that are likely to be on our page. All right, and we have a button right here. Is it button right here, button right here. So yeah, we have this right. There's our button. It's going to be somewhere here, and then it's an app, right? So then we'll be having some navigations. So I'm going to create some navigations around here, and first I'm going to create my container for the navigations here. I'm going to curve this areas in a way to show that navigations have 3 sizes. Yeah, you can see it, right? And create our navigations right here. So these are going to be our navigations. They're supposed to be kind of buttons. Okay, so I'm going to put, though they're going to be, in actual fact, they're going to be icons, so I'm just going to put them across like this. Okay, So all these ones would have what? Yeah, no, we want to select this. Okay, these are the icons. So yeah, so this is what we have. This is our small something. This is button, supposed to have some text right on top of it. All right, so we have xxx xxx xxx. Okay, so this is going to be our button right here. Okay, so this is our wireframe. Now we can move on to create our prototype, and we just want to show you how they all come to play. And we're actually going to use this. Okay, we're going to use this in our subsequent videos for a more intuitive something. We're just going to build on this to create something better and something very, very beautiful. All right, you wouldn't want to miss that. So go to prototyping, our splash screen connected to what? The home screen. All right, now we've been able to do that. We need to now see how it all looks like. This is the first time we're going to. Okay, so this is the first time we're going to see our app in preview. Okay, we are going to preview our app to see. All right, so to preview that, we go to the top here. We have the play button right there. It says desktop preview. We're going to preview on the desktop. We can preview it on our mobile, but now we don't have mobile. We're not connected our mobile yet, so we're going to take advantage of the desktop preview to look at how our app looks like. So we'll click on it. All right. Oh, it just did it right. I'm not trying to do that. Wait. Okay, we set the time to 3 seconds. So this is what we have here. Okay, so this is the preview. I'm gonna start over again. I don't like this. Okay, I'm going to close it and then start again. Okay, so click on it. You can see, oh, 3 seconds is too fast. Okay, let's go set it to 5 seconds. I want all of us to see how it is done, or what is happening, right? So I just hit play. Okay, so we'll be there. Let's see. Good, it changes. And that is what animation did we use? We used slide right, and it is bouncing. Okay, so you can use ease in to slide right. So let's use that. Close it, come back, open it again. Okay, so we have this right here. Welcome. Good, it went to the right. It should be okay. So this is going to be the left, right? The left, right, the left, right, something. So let's set it to left, slide left. Good, and hit on this again. So we have this. Let's put this one here. We have this, and beautiful, right? So we've been able to automate or prototype our artboard, just these two artboards, and let's see the different things that we can do. Push left, let's see, push left, push it to the left. Okay, push it to the left, push. It pushes. So that is the intensity of what we're doing. That is the beauty of what you're doing. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so that is how it all comes to play, prototyping. Now you use this, you take it to the developer, and the developer looks at it and says, wow, how am I going to do this? Wreck his head over it, and finally he will do it. Comes out a beautiful app. Okay, so that is it. We were able to use the time to prototype our two artboards. Okay, in our next video we're going to add more artboards, yeah, to wireframing, and then we'll continue like that until we get our beautiful UI. Okay, good. Thank you for watching this video. Watch the next video. I'll be right back.